Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt. This is our blue-green spiral, classic blue-green spiral. Trying to get some larger shirts in the store. So if y'all are wondering why we did just a normal blue-green spiral, it's because we've had a lot of requests for this in a larger size. So figured we'd go ahead and make it. What better way to let people know it's out there than to make it one of our videos. Look how green it turned the rinse water too. Beautiful tie-dye there. What you think?
It's gorgeous.
Look. Outside with the cool water. Gonna move inside with the warm in a minute. Just wanna get it, a lot of that stuff off of it out here. To the inside?
To the inside. Hold on, wait. Let me dump this water out real quick.
Okay. Get that excess off there.
Otherwise, I'll be spilling it all over the floor.
Oh, we don't want that. Not at all. Time to get it unbanded. Is this the XL or the 2X?
2X.
2X, that's right. The big boy. We're gonna start regularly dyeing. That's a tongue twister for you. Regularly dyeing 2X, 3X tees as well, because we've had a lot of comments about how we don't have enough large sizes. So, we're gonna try to make you some more. See what we got.
He's heavy.
Nice. Look at that. Nice jumbo blue-green spiral. Look at that good definition all the way around the edge. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So large.
I know.
Awesome. Perfect sinker shot. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. That came out pretty good if I do say so myself. It's a nice blue-green spiral. Good definition on it. Look at it. It really pops on camera too. Can't pretty good, I think. Look at the back. Back's got even more striation, obviously. Look at that. Beautiful mixes of blues and greens all throughout. Turquoise. Oh yeah, looks beautiful. All the way down to all the sleeves. Both sleeves, all four corners, just look great. Look at that. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.